Hello, everyone, and welcome to day 26. Today's topic is magically transform mistakes into blessings. So, yesterday's topic was cue your magic, in which, if you see something that is closer to your desire, you express gratitude to your present condition, and that will make you more magnetic and help you attract what you want to manifest in your life. Let's start. To the Supreme God, Divine Father, Divine Mother, my beloved Guru, Grand Master Chakoksui, Lord Mahaguruji Mailing, all the great ones, Holy Gurus, Holy Masters, Saints, Archangels, Holy Angels, and all the spiritual helpers, to my higher soul, to Master Chakoksui, to the universe, to the air that I breathe, the water that I drink, the food that I eat, to each and every organ on my body, to my mind, to the planets, to the solar system, to the sun, to the moon, to the abundance that shows up in my life every day, to the extra abundance that shows up in my life every day, to the abundance that surrounds me, to my perfect health, my amazing relationship, to the support of the universe every day. Thank you, and thank you. Let's start the topic. Magically transform mistakes into blessings. Turn your wounds into wisdom. Oprah Winfrey, media personality and businesswoman. Every single mistake is a blessing in disguise. Today's magical practice will prove it. Because you are about to discover that they are actually untold blessings hidden with every mistake. A child makes many mistakes while learning how to ride a bike or ride, and we don't give it a second thought because we know that through their mistakes they will learn and eventually master what they are trying to do. So, why is that adults are so hard on themselves when they make a mistake? The same rule that applies to children also applies to you. We all make mistakes, and if we didn't make them, we'd never learn anything, and we would not grow any smarter or any wiser. We have the freedom to make our own choices, and that means we have the freedom to make mistakes. Mistakes can hurt, but if we don't learn from the mistakes we have made, the pain we have suffered from it has been for nothing. In fact, by the law of attraction, we will make the same mistake over and over again until the consequences hurt so much that we finally learn from it. In the very reason why mistakes hurt, so that we do learn from them and don't make them repeatedly. To learn from a mistake, we first have to own it, and this is where many people become undone because they only blame someone else for their mistake. Let's consider a scenario of being pulled over by the police for speeding up. Instead of taking responsibility for the fact that we were speeding, we blamed the police because they were hiding in the bushes on the highway around the bend. We could not see them, etc., etc., etc. The problem with blaming other people for our mistake is that we still suffer the pain and consequences of our mistake, but we didn't learn from it. So bingo, we'll attract making the same mistake again. We are human. You are human, you will make mistakes, and it's one of the most beautiful things about being human beings. How do we learn from a mistake? The answer is gratitude. No matter how bad something may seem, there are always and always many things to be grateful for. When you look for as many things as you can to be grateful for in a mistake, you magically transform the mistake into blessings. Today, think about a mistake that you have made in your life. It doesn't matter whether it was a big or a small mistake. but choose one that still hurts. Maybe you lost a temper with a person close to you and the relationship hasn't been the same since. Maybe you put blind faith in another person and got burned. Maybe you told a white lie to protect someone, and because of it, you ended up in a difficult situation. You might have chosen the cheaper option on something, and it all went wrong and ended up costing you a whole lot more. You might have thought you were making the right decision about something, but it completely backfired on you. Once you have chosen a mistake to magically transform into blessing, look for things to be grateful for. What did I learn from this mistake? What are the things that came out of the mistake? The most important things to be grateful for is about every mistake are the things that you learned from it. And no matter what the mistake is, there are always many good things that came out of it. Think this through very carefully and see if you can find a total of 10 blessings to be grateful for. Every blessing you will, every blessing you find has a magical power. Write your own list in gratitude journal or type them on a computer. Let's take an example of being caught up by a speeding police car. I'm grateful that there is police, grateful for the police for wanting to protect me from harming myself. I'm grateful to the police because if I'm honest with myself, I was thinking about other things and wasn't concentrating on the road. I'm grateful to the police because it was foolish to put myself at risk speeding with a tire that needed to be replaced. I am grateful to the police for the wake up call being pulled over did affect me and it will make me watch my speed and drive carefully in future. I'm grateful to the police because somehow I had a wild idea that I could speed up without getting caught. I am grateful to the police because I think about my own family being put in danger. Also, they must see heartbreaking situations every day. I'm grateful for the police for making sure that I arrived home safely, etc., etc., etc. I would strongly urge you to take any mistake you have made in your life that you still feel bad about. And in your own time, follow this magnificent magical practice. Think about it. Go through one mistake, you have the power to bring many blessings. What else guarantees dividends like that? End of today's chapter. Tomorrow is very, very interesting. Magical mirror. The time tomorrow will be at around, I think, around 4:15 p.m. And yes, and today you have to, tomorrow morning, you have to write 10 things that you're grateful for. Also, before you sleep tonight, hold your magic rock and identify the best thing that happened to you today. Tomorrow, you have to identify one mistake and write 10 things that you're grateful for that mistake. Tomorrow's practice, tomorrow is day 27, the magical mirror. To the Supreme God, Divine Father, Divine Mother, my beloved Guru, Grand Master Chakoksui, Lord Mahaguruji Mailing, all the great ones, holy gurus, holy masters, saints, archangels, holy angels, and all the spiritual helpers, to my higher soul, to the universe, to all of you, to Rhonda Byrne, to each and every person connected to this book, to my perfect health, amazing relationships, growing money, growing finances, success in all my endeavors, to the support, to the protection, to the safety, to the creativity, to the amazing prosperity consciousness and high consciousness. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you all of you for joining. I'll see you all tomorrow. I'll keep posting on the group. Tomorrow is very, very interesting. See you.